Hi guys, we're gonna make the best ever chocolate chip cookies, and we're gonna show you how. First things first, you need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and make sure you get your parents' help. In the mixing bowl, put a half a cup of brown sugar, a third a cup of sugar, and a stick of butter. First, mix it with a palette attachment until it's light and fluffy. Make sure you get your parents' permission to run this machine. Add 1 egg. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Mix for about 1 minute until combined. Add 1½ cups of flour. Add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Put it on medium to low speed until combined. Add a cup of chocolate chips. But don't worry, if you mess up, you can never have too much. Then form the dough into balls on the cookie sheet. Prepare it, put it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are just set. So good. So good.